just wanted to do a brief little speech, and that's it, and then I'll get to the video. I promise it'll be quick. First, there's some good news and bad news. Bad news first. It is getting very cold down here in Georgia, and there might not be any fishing anytime soon, but I promise there will be some video up, because I gotta stick with the channel, you know. I gotta stay committed. And on another note, I want to apologize for the lack of uploaded videos. Just haven't been that much content, and I've been trying to upload in increments, like in intervals, so it's not like maybe one video one week, one video next week, then another video 3 months later. But regardless, that's how it's been, and I apologize for that. But the good news is that, what's the good news? Stop, I just had it. I just remembered the good news. Just stop, bro. What's the good news? Shh. The good news is that, I don't know what the good news is. I just forgot it. But, I'm sorry. Oh, good news. I reached 300 subscribers. Thank you very much. You guys are awesome. Thank you for all your support and everything that I've done. I'm like at 305 subscribers now, but I'm not gonna talk too much longer. Enjoy this video, and like, comment, subscribe. Thanks. Alright guys, Steven's using GoPalive crickets and caught a nice little bitty bass.
I was actually expecting a bluegill.
I was too. Get back to you. Alright guys, just caught a nice little bluegill on the fly. Not sure what type of fly this is, but it's one of my darker color ones. Let's get this out. I'm sorry.
Usually doesn't matter what color fly it is for bluegill.
Yo, Steven, can you like get this hook? Thanks. Alright, and then I'll try to catch one on camera for you guys.
Oh, that is a nice one.
Yeah.
And want me to just put him in the water?
Yeah. Or you want to use them for bass?
Nope.
He's a little big.
Off you go.
That was easy.
Every time.
Alright, we'll get back to you.
Fly Fishing 101 with Louis 181. That's pretty clever, don't you think? This is a dry fly. So eventually, if you cast it enough, it's gonna like get soaked. So it's gonna start sinking. So you have to whip it a lot to get that water out. Yeah. There we go. Pretty nice. Fly Fishing 101, and got him. As soon as you got it. Alright, get back to you.